name is Abhishek Dore. These are my friends. We are learning in 10th standard. Honorable Headmaster of the school, Honorable Principal, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to present our Paripart in front of you. Our daily routine starts with day and night. So I would like to call Nikita to tell us today's day and date.
Today's date, Monday, today's date 5 December 2004.
I would like to call Ganesh to tell us today's date.
Good morning friends, my name is Ganesh from 10th standard. Today I am going to
So I would like to call Abhiraj to tell us today's new headlines in English.
My name is Avinash Kakad. I am telling about today's news headline. First, Scotland, the world's first country to provide free menstruative products. Second, Raj
To competitive examination, dear friends, what are important in general knowledge? So I would like to call Snail to check our general knowledge. I request them please reply him orally.
Hello friends, my name is Snehal from 10th standard division B. Today I am going to ask you a general knowledge question. First question. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution?
To math learn, dear friends, what are necessary tables? So I would like to call Bhagyasri to tell us
Respected teachers and all my dear friends, I am Kiran from Standard 10. Today I am going to tell about how to achieve great success. So please listen silently and carefully. Friends, as you know, there is no shortcut to success. To achieve success, you need proper guidance. You should have clear view of the success you want. So set the goals you want to achieve. Dedication towards the goal is an important factor. Nothing can be gained without.
Good morning. My name is Sarthak. This is my friend Chetan. Today we are going to present our conversation between two friends. Good morning, Chetan.
Good morning Sarthak.
How are you today?
I am fine and you?
I am very well, thanks. Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I do because I have to go to school
What time do you get up every day?
at 5 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you get up breakfast each day?
At 7 o'clock in the morning.
Do you feel happy when you go to school?
Yes, I do.
What subject do you like?
I like an mathematics subject.
Okay, Chetan. See you tomorrow.
Okay, Sarthak, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks to listening our Paripart silently and carefully. We are also grateful for our